this thing because I have never used.
Bang on there.
All right.
So you could come forward that.
It's just the back one. Woo! Do not reverse, yeah. Do not reverse, yeah. Jesus Christ! Go on, mate. Go on. Go on. You can go through. Hey! Come through, mate. Look at the amount of traffic there. Jesus! Ooh! What a nightmare! No, no, no! Oh. There was no space whatsoever. Kids, thank you very much. Beep, 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 beep. Putting this piece to work tomorrow. Be told how to use the trailer. I'm gonna have to go to the port as well. After I go to the port, I have to come back home, like learn the rules of the place and all this. Hopefully we'll be good for tomorrow going. So I think that's the trailer gonna be teach you how to use. I just gotta wait for the guy. Meant to be here at 9. Well, it's about 8:45. So just gotta wait for the guy that's gonna tell me how to use this thing because I have never used. Gonna go and park up, just reverse into that trailer now. This is the first time going under the trailer with this unit.
That fifth wheel could do to come forward a bit. A 45 on these will come bang on there.
All right.
So you could come forward that much.
All right. We say 1, 2 clips.
See where the pitch? One there. That's going to come forward that much, which is about right.
All right. Okay.
Hitch up to it properly. Get all your airlines on. Get
your
legs up, and then I'll go through.
All right.
What's what.
All right. Amazing. All right. All right, guys. We done everything that we needed. The truck right now. I just got told how to use it, how to stand it, how to not do it, how to do it. I literally got told everything. I think it's a 45 long one. And then when you put that on, what you gotta do is this, which is quite amazing. It's lift that up. And what it does, it clips into this. Obviously you got one on the other side, and you can put a trailer that goes all the way from the front, all the way to the back. So, put it back down. I didn't wear any gloves. I have some gloves, but no, in my truck, I got them in my car. And trying to find out as much information as I can for tomorrow. So better get going. Legs are on, legs are down, flaps taking off, and then the last bits. There we go. So we're good to go. Let's go. Just like that, but I got out because I don't want to scratch my unit. So it's come out making sure I'm not going to scrape it. So that should be all right there. All right, it's time to put the blue one now. So it needs to be the right way. All right. And that is our blue, what's it called again?
That is a lot of...
That's our license there, go on.
That's a lot of pain, hard work and tears.
Yeah. The blue one, look at that, look at that. All right, last minute, we changed the job. Mrs. is coming in, gonna go and pick the trailer up, last minute change, so I thought that I wouldn't have to go and pick it up today other than tomorrow, but we're actually doing it today, so I'm gonna get underneath of that trailer right now. So right, pull this up, check this light. As you've seen there, oh, wrong way around. Suppose you're going down. All right, other than that, we're ready to go. All right, all the checks done, ready to go. You ready?
Let's go.
Oh, wow. Guys, we're about to get into the docks now. Oh, morning, mate. First day, I don't have a clue what I'm doing.
And you're supposed to put you know that.
Let's go and watch the video, and that's the truck. And I look silly with this thing, so this is normally like to cut. This is normally to cut stuff off in the back garden, but God knows. Basically, going in, we need to wash that. It's 15 minutes, and then we're gonna be going on the one of them. It's only 3 questions, that easy. We're only gonna fill it in now. I got a card now, so let's go. All right, I just parked there just before that. I think I need to put something in the machine here. I don't know which one. Need to figure this out. I'll be back in a second. Jesus. Leave it there, and then to lock it like that. Dead easy. It's just the back one and the front one on the last one. So let's reverse this in. Woo! Ah, that's a heavy trailer. Look at how much it went down there. Everything is done, so we're getting out of here. This camera is about to die, but I'll put them in charge now when I get back to the yard. I'll tell you everything about this. So basically, you just tell me how close I am to it when I get, yeah. It is good for something, transport manager and a guidance. All right, lads, making my way home. Back in the truck tomorrow, dead early. That delivery needs to be there on time. So our first job needs to be on time. We'll catch you tomorrow morning. Cheers. Morning, guys. Right now, just checking all the lights in the truck and all that. It's been a crazy day already, and I just started. It's 5 o'clock. I will be back when I get on the road and I do all my checking and make sure everything works fine. All right, this is the road that I got told to go in. I even got pictures. They got sent it to me from the person I got the job from, and he said that it's a little bit of a nightmare to get through, but this is the only way. Oh, you can go through the town, but the town has got low bridges and stuff like that. Yeah, we're gonna get there with more than enough time. Whoa, mate, whoa. Let me see, can I go through there? Try. Thank you. Nah. All right, let's see. Ah. Yeah. Nice one. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Do not reverse, yeah. Do not reverse, yeah. Jesus Christ. People don't think. Jesus. Thank you. Sometimes people just don't think about what they do. Why would you reverse? Let me go through and then you can do whatever you want. Woo! Yeah. Just let this bloke pass. Go on, mate. Go on. Go on. You can go through. No, you could have gone past it, mate. You get through there? Yeah, go on. You stay there. Oh. Hey, first day as an owner operator making a delivery, it's just absolutely chaos already. Thank you. Oh, mate. Oh yeah, we can go through, both of us. Yeah, we're all right. Thank you. So it's people coming like this, but it's not a problem. You just gotta be careful and then let them pass. Oh, they let you pass. I remember I used to get nervous about this. Nervous as you can make it. Oh no, mate. I think we can get past that, mate. Nah, I won't be able to go through that, mate. Is that a straight? Uh-huh. I love my job. I love my job. All right, get out of there. Get out. Go on. Go on. Yes, lad. Come on. Woo! Hey, tell you one thing. If this is not the best job in the world, I want you to show me. Well, the best job in the world was being in the army, but this is the second best job in the world. And we have arrived. Oh man. Well, as soon as I get there, I get this done. I will let you all know, guys. You want me to tell you the truth? I am a happy lad right now. All right, that's fine. They said so. Let's go in. They asked me to crack the seal as well. Oh, hold on. Right, we're here. It was a little bit of a pain getting that back door open. It looks like it got a little bit smashed when it was in the chip. I don't know. The chip. I don't know. It's quite amazing. So it's 2 forklifts left in that to get it forward, to get them into the thing. All right. So basically, all I had to do there is then lift it up and then I reverse underneath of that, and that's about it. All right, it's only 4 left now, and this is what it looks like. Another 4 to go. That's tipped. I think the container's going back to the docks today, so better find out before I drive there. So they always have to take a sample as well. Why do you take a sample for? Just to make sure the product is in quality?
Just so we can test it for moisture, check for bugs, check the quality of the product.
And then if it's not the right quality, you send it back?
Yeah, pretty much.
Ah, he's gonna close the doors for all. What a good lad! I think he's having trouble with that door again. I need to smash that in before I leave anyway.
I'll put all 4 on.
Yeah. A tiny bit. Hey! Yes!
There we go.
Cheers, man.
Just for that.
Alright, cheers for that. What a dilemma. You know, I feel the pain jackknifing my own truck even more than I did when I was jackknifing other people's truck. You know what's the thing that like it does give me the chivers a bit? Coming in, rescue groundy straight away. Like, it's for low loaders as well, but still, like, could be you if I meet an, oh no, it's not another truck coming this way. As I always say, it always could be worse. Look at the amount of traffic there, Jesus. Ooh. So I'm gonna pull back so he can get out, and then the rest of the traffic behind him. What a nightmare. Jesus, how can this be the only way in and the only way out? And apparently if you go the other way, it just causes carnage. Oh, these indicators are driving me crazy, man. Oh, we don't want to be meeting a truck on the other side of this, or midway or halfway or something like that. This bridge is tiny, bro. Oh. Thank you. The compass. Listen, get in that little thing there. Yeah, you're right there, actually. Cheers, delivery man. No, man. Oh. It's been a nightmare, this. At least a little bit of space here. Back there was no space whatsoever. Imagine meeting this guy anywhere and where the lanes go like really small. But oh no, okay, this is more here. All right, come through, mate. Stop around there. Yeah, anytime. There you go, perfectly fit through. So like, if I meet a truck coming up this way, like right here, be like, oh. Look at the amount of traffic behind me as well. Oh, Jesus. If you stay there, mate, right where you are, I'll be able to, oh, Jesus. Okay, don't want to hit you with that. Yeah, amazing. Perform like a hero, mate. Cheers. Stop sign, stop right here. Completely stop. Woo! Let's get to the N6 and then we're gonna go to the dock. Like slow, you're meant to be crawling on these things. And then what happens is, these cameras will like light up the lights underneath. Are they? Yeah, there you go. That is your sign. You've been picked up. You need to do 3 miles an hour. Like, I'm probably not even doing that. I'm probably doing like 2. So I basically got stopped for a random check. So they're gonna do a random check now. I don't know, I'm looking for something. I don't know. This is my second time in the pod, so I don't know. So, and they just want to do a check, just find out what's going on. I think it's coming around now. So he's got on one of them bays. That was a bit random. This is basically like an airport. All right, here I need to go over that plate, but really slow, so 3 miles an hour. Like basically the truck is crawling to the front, and then when we get there we just sweep it with this. So this one. That's it. 23.52. You always get stuck in there. Did the same yesterday. When you reverse there, you gotta take the pins off before you reverse into the bay. Helmet, high vis. Because you're dealing with this after you go your PP, what you can do is just get your gloves, because you're gonna get your hands dirty. You don't want to do that in your cup. Always remember that that's there. Always remember the pin, you can see it from outside. So always remember that it needs to be in between that, and always twist the lock. If it's not in there, you can't see it, you got a big problem. Don't drive anywhere, just make sure it's there. Look how it sweeps, turns there, and then that's all you gotta do. Just make sure 100% that before you go on, you take it off, and then when you come out, put it back on. Always fix, always make sure they're out. Happy days, happy with that. There you go, that made a sound, and that should be ready. It's happening. Look at that, that's amazing, that thing. That's sick, that, look at that. It's history, so we just pull out now. Basically pull out now and go home. That wasn't too hard, was it? So basically what you do is you lift up and then you twist it, and that thing hides away. So if you want to put it back on, you lift it up and then you twist it. That's it. You do that on all 4 of them, and it's just easy as that. All right, we have arrived in the yard, and that is where the truck was getting repaired. When you watch the video, obviously. So yeah, the same place we were yesterday. That's not my parking space, but we're putting it there for the time being. That's the end of it. End of this shift that we call it. 15, 20. It's gonna write all my stuff down, but other than that, happy days.